The power of the dark side.
Alright, this is the last one. We need Solo to report to Hangar Bay 41.
Solo, I haven't seen you in a while. What are you doing here? I have a mission for you and your squad. What is it? There's a shipment getting stolen from Tatooine and we need you and your squad to take the cargo back. Alright, I'll get my squad.
So we're all here? Yep. TK-60? Yep.
Alright, we gotta get as far away from Tatooine and then make the jump to lightspeed. Oh, great game plan. Can't you go any faster? Going as fast as I can.
Alright, head for the transport ship now. Alright, the engines are disabled now. Let's go get the cargo and make sure they don't get away though. What?
It was good knowing you. I don't know if it'll fit you all though.
Oh no, our commander's not gonna like this.
Alright, who destroyed the cargo? I said, who destroyed the cargo?
Oh, it was Solo's idea.
Really, man?
What, it's true.
You're so dead. Solo, get over here! Yeah, what is it? What the heck? This is your fault, Solo! Me and your squad had enough of you. What are you gonna do? I'm demoting you down to janitor on Coruscant. Wait, what? Yes, I will escort you down to... Wait a minute. What? Don't I need a broom? Oh. You know I'm a good pilot. I know, Solo, but this is just your punishment. Alright, Solo, if you really earn it, I'll promote you back to fighter pilot, but in the meantime, this is your job, and if you finish early, contact me and I'll drop you off somewhere else.
Don't mind the Wookiees, just get to work.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
The Wookiee's out of control now. Stop right there, Solo.
Come on! Go, go, go!
You must warn your commander about Solo's betrayal.
What is it?
Solo betrayed us.
If that is so, then Solo is now a threat to this empire. You and your squad will eliminate him. That is your mission. Stop that fighter!
Let's go already, we're gonna be late.
Inform Solo's commander about his betrayal. We already have. Good work. Blast that Imperial assault carrier out of the sky! Wookiee, get the TIE fighter ready! It's Solo. Bring him in. Oh, where the heck are we?